This is a 2008 Toyota RAV4. This car was brought in because it shakes at highway speed. A lot of times when a car shakes at highway speed, it could be because the tires are no good, they're cupped or damaged, or the wheels need balancing, but this is not the case for this car. Another possible reason is there is something wrong with the steering assembly that includes these inner and outer tie rods, or outer and inner tie rods, or the steering rack itself. But here, everything is solid. Steering rack and tie rods are solid. So what we notice is we do have a shake here. Maybe you can see how this wheel is moving side to side. And if this shake is not coming from the steering rack or from the tie rods, then what could it be coming from? So this leaves only one possibility, which is this wheel and hub assembly, and I've put it in this vise to show you what's wrong with it. See this play? Should be able to see the play. This is enough to cause the car to shake. Fortunately, it's not too difficult to replace the entire hub and bearing assembly. It's just held into a knuckle with 4 bolts through the back. And in this video, I'm going to show you the entire process of doing this repair. The first step is to jack up the car and remove the wheel, and I hope that everybody knows how to do that. Next, we remove the entire brake caliper and rotor. We have an ABS sensor that we want to get out of the hub, and it's held by a 10mm bolt, and we also hang this up and out of the way. Now we want to loosen this center nut. It's a 30mm nut, and thank goodness for impact tools. Then we have these 2 crash bolts. They're 22mm. Also use the impact tool. Then we have this tie rod castle nut, and it is 17mm. And for removing the tie rod from the knuckle, this is where this ball joint remover really shines. Now I have access to the 4 bolts in the back of the knuckle, and they are 17mm. And I'm going to use the impact tool to get them out. I've loosened up the bolts. I've left them partially in, and there's a reason for that. I'm going to use the sledgehammer to beat on each bolt in turn in order to get the hub assembly out of the knuckle. The dust shield comes off the back of the hub assembly, and there it is. Here's our knuckle, and we want to clean this inside surface with some emery cloth or sandpaper, just get it smooth again. I apply some anti-seize lubricant here liberally. This is what I use. So I match up the dust shield with the hub and bearing assembly, and then I just get the bolts started from the back. And after that, it's just a matter of snugging them up slowly and evenly. And the rest of reassembling this is just the reverse of disassembly. So I'm not going to bore you with that. We're going to take it straight to a road test. We're out on our test drive here in beautiful Maui. And this speed, right around 60 miles an hour, is where we were getting the most shaking before. Now the shaking is completely gone, so I'd say the repair was successful. Okay, so we got one more repair in the record books. Thanks for watching this video, and catch you in the next one.